Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with the RK ROYAL KLUDGE RK61 mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's jump right in. The RK61 is a mini 60% keyboard, and it's making a big impression in the gaming world. With just 61 keys, it offers a minimalist design that's perfect for gamers who need space for those epic mouse movements. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hot SW appability. It comes with red switches that provide a smooth, quiet, and linear keystroke. This makes it ideal not only for gaming but also for office work where precision and speed are crucial. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. The RK61 is a stunner with gorgeous RGB backlighting. It offers 18 RGB backlight modes and 8 monochrome backlights onboard. But here's the fun part. You can customize the backlight colors and effects using the RK ROYAL KLUDGE software. Even individual key colors are under your control. When it comes to performance, this keyboard doesn't disappoint. It's compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac, making it versatile for all gamers. With full keys anti-ghosting, your every move is registered accurately, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Plus, the detachable USB-C cable adds portability to the mix. Let's talk comfort. The RK61's ergonomic design is built for long gaming sessions. The stare-up keycaps design maximizes comfort, reducing hand fatigue even during those intense gaming marathons. It's not just for gamers. It's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time typing. Don't just take our word for it. The RK ROYAL KLUDGE RK61 has garnered an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 12,000 ratings. Gamers, office workers, copywriters, typing teachers, and editors alike are loving what this keyboard brings to the table. So, whether you're battling it out in the gaming arena or crunching numbers in the office, the RK ROYAL KLUDGE RK61 mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact powerhouse that delivers on style, performance, and comfort. That's a wrap on our review of the RK ROYAL KLUDGE RK61 mechanical gaming keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one. Game on!